it whatever you want. From it when I give that back, wait, give it right back, baby, give it right back. This look, baby, can I sit right back? Wanna give it right back, baby, make it like that. I feel like I feel like you deserve me.
Hi guys. Hi. So like I'm doing this thing where I bring different types of like, you know, apps that make money. But like also guys, I'm not saying you're gonna make gang amounts of money. I'm trying out apps that claim to give you money, and then I tell you if it's gonna actually give you money or if it's gonna be like worth your time or not, you know. It's just a fun side thing that I'm doing, because like I've always wanted to get into YouTube, and I guess this is what I'm getting into YouTube with, you know. Yeah, you know. So I'm gonna be giving you guys a couple. Okay, let's pause that. Okay, I'm back. So for today I'm gonna be giving you guys 3 apps. It's actually games. Yeah, I know. But yeah, 3 games that claim to give money, and I tried them out, and you don't have to, because I did already, you know. Okay, so the first app or game for today is called Blockaway, and keep in mind that for all the apps that I'm gonna mention today, I will put the links down in, down there. The first one is called Blockaway, and let's see. You generally play, it's like I'll put it on the screen for you on what I'm doing, but you generally play the game. It's a really easy game to play, if I do say so myself. Nothing hard about it, but you know, stuff gets going. Although keep in mind, one thing I have noticed about these apps is ads, a gazillion ads for no good reason. But you know, I feel like they're paying you more so to view the ads than to play the game. That's what you're basically doing here. Although I decided to do this because I know there's a lot of people that play games that just to pass by time, just like pass time by, you know. I see people a lot, even though they're taxis, grown people will just be playing random games. So I'm like, okay, if they're doing that for free, might as well get apps that are doing it for money, you know. So yeah, that's basically what we're here to do. This game isn't hard, pretty simple, pretty simple. So yeah, from what I can tell so far is it has a coin-based system where I'll show it on the screen, but you can tell that you're gonna have to play this for a while. A while. You can tell. But that's how it converts, and it withdraws through PayPal. Wow. Anyways, but yeah, you see the withdrawal tiers say that for every 1 million coins it's $10. So now we're gonna assume for every 100k it is $1. But you can't withdraw until you get to the 1 million. That's the minimum withdrawal. So through PayPal though. And I don't know, withdrawing through PayPal sometimes is a bit iffy unless if you don't have a standard bank, an FNB account. It's a whole process. But if you already have that set up, it's actually easy for you. So yeah, that's how that game works. Piggy match win cash, yeah. The link is also going to be down below, and let's see how it works. From the get-go, we also see that it has a coin-based system, but it also has an actual cash system also. And when you tap into the withdrawal section, and what I like about this game specifically, is that it withdraws through Binance and Coinbase. And if you've ever been a crypto person, you know that is great stuff, because Binance is like the easiest, and I'd say Coinbase, but I haven't used Coinbase that much, but I've used Binance. I have a lot of experience with Binance, and you know that is like the easiest way to receive money if it is in the form of crypto or these type of coin-based currencies. So yeah, I like this one. It gives you hope, you know, gives you hope. And as we can see, I've accumulated a little so far, but I'm gonna play these games before I actually upload. I'm gonna play these games for a while, and then I'm gonna show you guys how much I make. Okay, I like this one. The game is also pretty easy, as I will show on the screen. You just pick 3 matching items. Nothing hectic about it. Nothing hectic. Well, I got cut off, sadly. But, yeah, the game is pretty much easy. I got cut off because the phone overheated. Yeah, I was about to like skip over it, but I feel like I should give y'all a reason. It's because the stupid phone overheated. The next game that I want to talk about is called Bewman. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but yeah, it's Bewman. And I don't like it. There might be someone, I don't like playing it specifically. There might be people that like playing it, I don't know, but I don't like it. It's too much going on. It's too old school type of game vibes that I just don't vibe with. I just don't vibe with them, sadly. But that's gonna take forever. But if we keep in mind that you're playing these games because you want to, and you're not necessarily playing these games because you want to make some quick cash, and you know you are eventually gonna make cash from the game, it's just you're just playing it because you enjoy it, then that's fine. And then when we look at the actual money conversion, which is it in rands, not converted, you can only withdraw 270. Once your money reaches 270, then you can withdraw. And withdrawal methods are strictly, I'd say, the most convenient one. Play this game if you want to have like, if you guys can hear the noise outside, I'm so sorry about that. So sorry. But as I was saying, if you want to play this game knowing that you want to just have airtime. You just want to always have airtime to buy data or buy whatever it is you want. But this withdraws through MTN, Vodacom, Telcom, Celsi, and PayPal. And as you heard when I said earlier, how I feel about PayPal. So, just saying, if you're like on the same boat as me, this is the opinion you would have, and you would probably play this game only if you really just want airtime randomly at certain times and stuff like that, you know? I think that is our third game, is it not? Yes. And those are the games that make money. Keep in mind that I'm telling you guys that it's not gonna be easy money, but it's not gonna be easy money in the sense of easy quick money. It's gonna be easy money, yes, because you're playing, but it's gonna take forever. It's gonna take forever. That's what I'm saying. Play these games just because you want to play the game. And then when it's time to withdraw, you'll be like, oh wow, great. It's time to withdraw, you know? But in terms of it being a quick get rich, get weekend money type of thing, no, it's not. It's not. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow if you're watching this on other platforms like my TikTok. And also follow my Instagram. You know, just for the sake of it. And also just follow me, man. You're not gonna die. Please do share the video if you liked it, found it interesting, found it educational, because I'd like to think it's educational. You will know these games if I didn't tell you. Exactly my point. And also, jokes aside, I am planning on taking this whole YouTube thing seriously as a part-time thing, you know. So please do support. I am going to need it so I can, like, you know, continue making more videos, finding more apps for you. I'm going to try to post regularly, so you're always going to have different apps, and I will show you if I will tell you, if they're worth your time or not. I'm going to be blunt and honest with it. If it's not it, it's not it, and I'm going to tell you, so you don't waste your time, you know? Exactly my point. So yeah, mwah. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. If you stayed this far, I appreciate you. And I'm gonna give a bonus app that I didn't mention. So this bonus app is called Backfight. It also uses a conversion system, and it also does withdraw through MTN, Telkom, Cell C, Vodacom, and PayPal. And I think it's more of the funner games to play through the ones that I already just listed. This is one that I consider more fun to play, and I think that it's easier to accumulate the needed money here. I don't know, this is just my opinion, but keep in mind every app is gonna be linked down below. This one is called Backfight. I'm gonna link it down below also, but a bit lower, because you know, you stayed. You deserve to know that there's another app. You stayed, you showed love. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I'll keep you guys updated on more apps, and see you guys next time. Toodles.
Give it whatever you